To make this peanut, you will need your fried groundnuts, a little bit fried, not burnt groundnut, please. So after peeling it, you crush it this way to your desired thing. Then you pour in your measured sugar that you want to use and allow it to melt. You're going to melt it. Once it's made to this stage, don't let it melt too much so that as for it not to have bitter taste. Then you pour in your crushed groundnuts. When you pour in, then you stir. Immediately you continue stirring till everything stir together, and then you transfer to your foil paper that you lay and cover it with another foil paper and roll flat. If you don't want to roll it this way, you can as well from the pot quickly be scooping it out with spoon into a place where it's going to be adding for those one in balls form. If you want it in flat way like this, this is how you're going to do it. And then once you roll it out this way, you allow it to cool down, and then you open up the foil, and you cut your desired shape.